Are you a player or a game master? We will build infinite maps for you. How about underground or dungeons? See how they are created with just one click. Do you like to print maps? Or use virtual tabletop platforms like Roll20 or Foundry VTT? How about the TV? Change, adapt, and create whatever maps and scenarios you want. Create and change stats for monsters, treasure, and traps. Let players experience more excitement and fun. Never-ending dungeon coming soon to Kickstarter. 5 types of dungeons to choose from. Hundreds of items, NPCs, monsters, and more. 15 pre-made adventures ready to use. Solo gameplay mode. Dozens of high-quality printed maps. Don't want to miss the launch? Click Notify Me on Launch on Kickstarter.